A metallic conducting disc of radius capital R is rotating about an axis perpendicular to its plane and passing through its center. If a uniform and constant magnetic field capital B parallel to the axis exists everywhere, then derive formula for the induced EMF between the center and circumference of the disc. Take number of revolution of the disc per second is equal to nu. So in this problem, this is a disc, metallic disc of radius r, and it is rotating about an axis which passes through its center and perpendicular to its plane with angular velocity suppose omega, and magnetic field is perpendicular to the plane of the disc. Since magnetic field is parallel to the axis, it means magnetic field is perpendicular to the plane of the disc, and in this figure this is perpendicular and in inward direction. See, in this figure magnetic field is like this. Now we have to derive a formula for induced EMF between the center O and circumference A. तो जब ये डिस्क रिवॉल्व कर रही है तो डिस्क की एक एनी लाइन ऑफ दिस डिस्क, एनी रेडियस ऑफ दिस डिस्क ओ ए, दिस इज क्रॉसिंग दिस मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, ये मैग्नेटिक फील्ड को कट कर रही है, कटिंग दिस मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. तो इसमें भी एक इंड्यूस्ड ईएमएफ प्रोड्यूस हो जाएगा. तो इसके इंड्यूस्ड ईएमएफ कैलकुलेट करने का एक मेथड ये है कि हम ये देखें कि पर सेकेंड जो ये जितने रिवॉल्यूशन कर रही है तो पर सेकेंड कितना मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स ये लाइन ओ ए कट कर रही है. सो इंड्यूस्ड ईएमएफ ई इज इक्वल टू मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स स्वेप्ट बाय ए रेडियस ओ ए ऑन द डिस्क पर सेकेंड. Now magnetic flux that this radius OA sweeps per second is equal to area of the disc multiplied by magnetic field B and number of revolution per second nu. So E is equal to A into B into nu. Now A into B is magnetic flux crossed by this disc per second, crossed by this line OA, not per second, in one round, crossed by this line OA in one round. Now number of revolution per second are nu, so E is equal to phi into nu. Now phi is equal to A into B, and for A, which is area of this disc, we may write pi r square. So this is equal to pi r square into B, and for nu we may write omega upon 2 pi. Because omega is equal to 2 pi nu, omega is angular frequency, and here nu is revolution per second, means linear frequency. So omega is equal to 2 pi nu, therefore nu is equal to omega upon 2 pi. So again we get this formula half into br square into omega. It means this formula is, which is E is equal to phi into nu, correct. Now again if for omega we write 2 pi nu, then E is equal to nu into pi b r square. Suppose in amusement park, this is a disc of radius 1 meter and it can rotate in horizontal plane. Now vertical component of Earth's magnetic field here is suppose 0.3 Gauss. Now revolution per second are 0.2 revolution, means 0.2 revolution per second means 2 revolution. For 2 revolution it will take 10 second. So for 1 revolution it will take 5 second. तो 5 सेकेंड में ये एक कंप्लीट राउंड इसका होता है. तो इसमें कितना ईएमएफ एक्सिल और सरकमफ्रेंस के बीच में, इन बिटवीन दिस एक्सिल एंड सरकमफ्रेंस, व्हाट इज इंड्यूस्ड ईएमएफ. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू पाई आर स्क्वायर बी इंटू न्यू. दिस इज 3.14 इंटू 1.0 होल स्क्वायर बिकॉज आर इज 1 मीटर, एंड 0.3 गॉस इज इक्वल टू 0.3 इंटू 10⁻⁴ टेस्ला, बिकॉज 1 गॉस इज इक्वल टू 10⁻⁴ टेस्ला. and nu is equal to 0.2 revolution per second. You solve it, you will get the answer 0.1884 into 10 power minus 4 volt, which may be written as 0.0188 millivolt. So this is nearly 0.02 millivolt. So to calculate induced EMF between O and A, O is center of this disc and A is circumference, we may use this formula. Induced EMF is equal to flux passing through this disc, magnetic flux passing through this disc multiplied by number of revolution per second. Thanks. Have a nice day.